So this is my first week on my journey to the success, and actually I'm pretty proud of the week. Overall, I can say I've made some good progress, and I'm planning to scale in with way more funded accounts for the future, because currently there's this 90% offer on Apex. So I'm trying to scale my account so I can finally get more profits rolling, right? My accounts are pretty good. I'm planning to follow just the rules, think about it long term, and I'm trying to improve that over time just to get the same thing rolling and over again. I'm not trying to do something else. I'm not trying to improve like different tactics or analyze it just differently. I know my rules, I know I'm consistent, and I'm going to follow them until the end. I want to do exactly the same thing as I've learned, which made me profitable in the first run ever. So why would I even change? That's something you also have to learn. Don't change your rules when you're profitable. Just stick to them. Really, you can't hop these rules, you can't change them every day. I've traded the fucking silver bullet, I've traded it and I lost in 1 month. I lost every trade of a month. I've traded like 20 times and I lost every fucking single trade. Every trade I lost. Every trade. You can't even believe that. I didn't win once. And then I went back to my old model, 2022 market maker models, just like this. And it's way easier to analyze when you have a model that you've perfected over time. Trading takes some time to get into it, right? So you have to really try to improve one thing, just one. If you can do it one thing profitable, you don't need anything else for your whole trading career. And this is the thing I'm trying to improve upon, and do the same thing every day, every week, every month, and every year. So what I'm going to do now is the following thing. I will buy another 2 funded challenges on the 50k account. So I have 1 trade copy to my trading view, which I will trade 3 accounts copy traded with one main account, and it just copy trades them to the other accounts, right? This is what I will do. And the other account which I have on Wealth Chart, I will just trade it separately, like the PM session or something like that. And this is the things I will really focus on. So I can't lie to you guys, right? I have to really tell you the whole perspective. So there was a moment in my trading on Friday which I was really becoming a little bit emotional. I only traded once a day as I was planning, but I almost really lost my whole temper and account, right? It's really easy to get into a stage of mind where you can, after a loss, you feel so bad that you try to win it right back again, right? You have to really, you go in this circle of curses that you will lose and lose and lose. And this is also how losing streaks begin, right? You're just trying to get it back what you've lost. And I'm really just reflecting on that as I speak, because I want to be the realest and honest version. So I'm not very proud of my decision making on that day, and I've lost half an hour, so $250 on a 50k account. It's okay relatively, but it's not always about the amount you lose in trading, right? You acknowledge that, but it's more about the fact that you did lose something, right? It's more of an ego thing, and I'm trying to improve on that and then reflect on that, and I will also write that down to improve more my mental part of trading. I will maybe focus more on meditating and having more awareness about my decisions, right? So I want you to also do that, maybe if you want to improve and finally make like some money in trading, we really have to think about, after you traded, what decisions did you really make that put you into the trade and made you leave the trade, right? So how can I improve the decisions that I've made during the trading aspect itself? So I want to improve my decision making, right? And this is one thing that I'm reflecting on, that I need to improve over time. With these funded accounts, I want to go back to them because I think some people might see that as a big financial risk. And you know, it's kind of a financial risk, right? You're pretty right. It's like, it could be losing me like $1,000, right? But in life, I think it's more about the risks you take. And if you don't risk anything, you will not win anything, right? You have to risk sometimes, and to improve pretty quickly, right? So I'm just trying to take the risk to get to just to get to the like paying aspect faster, right? Because I want to improve like the money making, and I'm also aware that if I lose the money, it's okay, you know, it's okay, but you have to really deal with that mentally before your trading challenges. So I'm now giving you the prices through. So it's like $19 for a trading account, which I will be buying potentially like 3 times, which is copy traded, right? Or like 2 times I already have it, right? We're currently minus 70, so this would be another 38, so we are at 108. And then potentially I have 4 accounts, which would be another, if I would activate them all, 640, so which is like $740, which I risk. And yeah, this is something I will probably do.